Hello, I am Dr. Satish Babu, Senior Consultant ENT Head and Neck Surgeon working with the Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. The newborn child has been recommended to have a preliminary screening hearing test by WHO since the last couple of decades. In developed countries, it has become a norm to do a newborn hearing screening test before the baby leaves the hospital after birth, that is within the first few days of life. And in developing countries also it has been recommended, and WHO has been trying to implement that. So in India we have also a newborn hearing screening program wherein at least the baby is born in the hospital or getting screened before they leave the hospital in most of the centers. And even if it is not done immediately, at least it has to be done within the first month of life, so that the hearing loss, if any, can be detected as early as possible and the remedial measures can be performed. Now, if the baby misses that, or in situations where the baby was born normal and the hearing test, screening test also came normal, later if there are any signs of hearing loss, like the baby is not attentive to our calls or not understanding what we are saying, not obeying orders, then as soon as the suspicion arises, the hearing test can be performed and the baby's hearing levels can be determined. A subjective hearing test can only be performed after 6 years, reliably 6 years of age. Now there are other tests, electrophysiological tests, which are more objective, where the baby's response is not required. These can be performed at any age. Like I said, even a newborn can be screened. Now, beyond 6 years, we can do both subjective and objective type of hearing tests to determine where exactly is the problem.